I don't chase, I attract. Happy Divine Namaste. Hi, this is Aaron Prateep Birla. Welcome to this video session where I'll be talking about proxy chanting. What is proxy chanting? Proxy chanting is something wherein an individual cannot chant for themselves because of lack of time, energy, or maybe because they are bedridden or any kind of situation where they cannot chant for themselves. So we, people like me, the healers, there are dedicated proxy chanters, they do the chanting on an individual's behalf, and the energy of the chanting, or you can say the end result of the chanting, is delivered, or it is given, or it is provided to the individual. Now, traditionally, we have all heard about, people doing proxy chanting, wherein there are a group of people or an individual chanting on your behalf so that you get the energy. But here in this particular session, that is 11 days session, which is starting from 4th of November till 14th of November, I have come up with a different level of proxy chanting, which I have also tested with my Telegram group, and it has worked amazingly, wherein apart from me, that is me and my team would be doing proxy chanting for you all the registered people. But there are certain more things, there are certain few more things which will be doing chanting for you. Namely, it would be my devices like Healy. That is one of the world-known device which I'm going to use for chanting for each and every members. Apart from that, my radionics paper plate which I'll be using. I have a physical radionic machine that I'll be using, and I'll be using a broadcaster machine. So, 4 devices plus me and my team doing the chanting, and this chanting will be given to you daily 2 hours, that is morning 1 hour and night 1 hour. Morning 1 hour, you'll be getting 1 million energy, that is chanting energies. Evening, you'll be getting 1 million energies of chant. Same way, this process will go on for 11 days. Now, basically, what is the benefit of this proxy chanting? End of the day, it all comes to money. So, the chanting is basically to attract money miracles in your life. Now, this money, okay, before that, one more thing, this chanting will also remove blockages for money. Apart from that attracting money, it will also work on removing blockages. We are using mantras, we are using switch words, switch phrases, we are also using numbers, we are also using positive affirmations, we are also using subliminal messages, we are also using morphic field to enhance the proxy chanting power so that you get desired results. Now, coming to the benefits of it, in short, you'll start attracting money miracles in your life. Now, basically, you will tell, मेरे पास पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? I'm a housewife, or I don't do anything. My business slow चल रहा है, या मैं तो job वाला बंदा हूँ. And so you may have many reasons to say that कि पैसा कहाँ से आएगा. But money needs only one reason to come. That is your intention. So if you focus on the money which you already have and be grateful for that, the doors will automatically open through this proxy chanting and money will start flowing. Now, this money could be in terms of a gift. Money could be something which you had forgotten about it. You had kept somewhere and you forgot about it, and all of a sudden it pops up into your mind. Maybe it's a lost money which comes back to you. Maybe it's a money which was been given by you to someone else and the person has started returning money. Maybe it could be increment in sales. Maybe it could be a gift. Maybe it could be increment in job. There are various possibilities where money can come through, because even the gifts that you receive is equivalent to money because somebody has spent money to buy that, right? So, possibilities are there. The only thing is, what I would expect you people to do for this 11 days is to keep your mind open to receive. That is what is important. So join me in this exclusive proxy chanting, never done before, wherein we are using humans for doing the chanting, humans like me, those who will be doing the chanting. With that, we are using devices which will be more effective, adding more power, and will deliver far more faster and better results. Till then, take care, God bless, and make a fantastic life ahead.